Do you feel you understand English but cannot speak? When you try to speak, you get confused. Say, said, saying. Which one is correct? Tell me, have you faced this problem? Don't worry. Today, we will make it simple. Okay? Namaste everyone. In our last classes, we started spoken English and we are learning verb forms step by step. Right? So today, we will continue with part 3 forms of verbs. Okay? No pressure, no fear. Just listen, repeat, and practice daily. Slowly, your spoken English will improve. Okay? So, let's start. Marry, married, married. Marrying, marries. Next, need, needed, needed, needing, needs. Next, open, opened, opened, opening, opens. Okay? Next, pay, paid, paid, paying, pays. Next, quarrel, quarrelled, quarrelled, quarrelling, quarrels. Next, reply, replied, replied, replying, replies. Okay? Next, say, said, said, saying, says. Next, talk, talked, talked, talking, talks. Okay? The next, use, used, used, using, uses. Next, walk, walked, walked, walking, walks. Okay? Now it's your turn now. What is past of say? Yes. Past of say is said. Right? What is ing form of walk? It's walking. Okay. So, now you try to give the answer. Why do we change verbs? Because when we speak, we talk about time, present, past, and now. That's why these forms are important. See, English is not difficult. We just need to practice a little every day. Even if you learn 2-3 verbs daily, slowly, you will start speaking with confidence. Right? So, now I have a small task for you. What is the past form of say? Make one sentence using walk. Write your answers in the comment section. I will read and reply. Okay? Don't just watch. Try and write. We will continue more in next class and use these verbs in sentences. Okay? Thank you. Namaste. If you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel. Okay?